Importance of fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum are exhaustible natural resources as their availability is limited in nature. Coal and petroleum are known as fossil fuels since they are formed from the remains of living organisms. These fossil fuels are important sources of energy for us. Since Industrial Revolution, we have been using increasing amounts of energy to meet our basic needs and for manufacture of large number of goods upon which our lives depend. This energy needs have been largely met by reserves of coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum were formed from degradation of biomass millions of years ago, and hence these resources will be exhausted in future. Therefore, there is a need to look for alternative sources of energy like solar, wind, hydropower, etc. Coal is one of the cheapest and most important sources of energy. It is one of the major fossil fuel and because of its usefulness, it is called black gold. Uses of coal. It's used as a firewood. In industries, it's used for making dyes, fertilizers, paper, etc. Major use of coal is in thermal power plants. Another use of coal is in the manufacture of coke. Coke is of high value in industry because it has high heat value higher than any form of natural coal. It is widely used in steel making and in certain chemical processes. Uses of petroleum. Used as a fuel in automobiles, aeroplanes, ships, etc. Used as a raw material for producing synthetic fibers, plastics, detergents, petrochemicals, chemical fertilizers, etc. It is used for heating and lighting. It is used as a lubricant and also used for generation of electricity. Why should the use of fossil fuels be minimized? Fossil fuels like coal and petroleum have to be used very carefully due to the following reasons. They are present in limited quantities. Their combustion produces harmful gases such as oxides of nitrogen and sulfur and a greenhouse gas that is carbon dioxide. The huge reservoirs of carbon present in fossil fuels will be converted into carbon dioxide, leading to increased global warming. There are many environmental friendly alternative ways to save the natural resources. Switch off the lights and other electrical appliances when not in use. Use very efficient electrical appliances such as LED bulbs, CFL lamps and fluorescent tubes. Use public transport vehicles to replace private vehicles. Take shorter showers. Unplug idle electronics, thus reducing power consumption.